Ever wondered how to prepare easy meals with meat and vegetables? Well, ponder no more. The answer lies in mastering the basics of cooking and understanding how simple ingredients can transform into a delightful plate of food. Picture this: fresh, colorful vegetables paired with succulent meat, all brought together with a symphony of spices and flavors. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? Well, the good news is, preparing such meals is easier than you might think. Step 1. Start with the right ingredients. Choose fresh vegetables and high-quality meat. Remember, the quality of your ingredients directly affects the taste of your meal. So, opt for organic, free-range meat and locally sourced vegetables whenever possible. Step 2. Prep your ingredients. Cut your meat into bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Wash your vegetables thoroughly and chop them up. Keep in mind, the smaller you cut your vegetables, the quicker they will cook. Step 3. Season your meat. A good rule of thumb is to season your meat with salt and pepper at the very least. Feel free to experiment with different herbs and spices. Garlic, rosemary, and thyme are excellent choices for most meats. Step 4. Heat up a pan with some oil. Add your meat and cook until it's browned on all sides. Once your meat is cooked, set it aside. Step 5. In the same pan, add your vegetables. Start with the ones that take longer to cook, like carrots and bell peppers. Then, add quicker cooking vegetables like spinach or zucchini. Step 6. Combine your meat and vegetables. Add your cooked meat back into the pan with your vegetables. Stir everything together and let it cook for a few more minutes. Step 7. Serve your meal. Plate up your meat and vegetables, and there you have it, a simple, nutritious, and delicious meal. To summarize, remember these key points. 1. Choose the right ingredients. Quality matters. 1. Prep your ingredients. Cut everything into bite-sized pieces. 1. Season your meat. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors. 1. Cook your meat until it's browned, then set it aside. 1. Cook your vegetables, starting with the ones that take the longest. 1. Combine everything and let it cook for a few more minutes. 7. Serve and enjoy. Remember, cooking is an art, and like any art, it takes practice. So don't be afraid to make mistakes or try new things. With time, you'll find your own rhythm and style in the kitchen. Happy cooking!